Hello, this is Alex Horkey, and this is a public service announcement about self-image and identity online. One thing to know is that your online image is not the same as your personal image. Have you ever searched something on Google or even Amazon, and then the next day you're on social media and there's an advertisement about the item you are searching? This is part of your digital identity. Every website you do or don't visit or link you click on helps make up your digital identity. You need to protect your digital identity. You can do this by making sure you make safe, secure passwords that only you know, not giving out your personal information such as address, email, phone number, or any personal information that you have online. Protect yourself from cyberbullies. If you are getting cyberbullied by someone, tell a teacher, a parent, or even a law enforcement if necessary. If you are the victim of cyberbullying, don't respond to that person. They will just feed off of it more because they can hide behind a screen when you may not know who they are.